person you will marry in the future? What would that be? Wala pa finish ang question. And why? Is universe question ba yan, Misha? Yes, physical asset. Impossible naman character. Kasi ngayon pa lang kayo magkakilala. Sige. Ayan, ha? Okay, let's have the man first.
So, I guess I'm hair. Yes.
Hair now, hair.
So, hindi siya lalaki at saka, pero girl, I guess ito ba?
He loves the hair daw kasi lalaki sa likod, pero babae ay sa atubangan. See?
Short bakla.
Ako? Likewise. Likewise.
Nga naman.
Likewise.
Tapos ayusin mo yan lang. Ayusin mo yan. Ayusin mo. Ayusin mo.
Uy, sorry. Measured man. Measured man. I think eyes. Because they're brown. Brown. Yes, brown eyes.
Single pa na.
I-check yun ako ha. I-check yun ako. Brown yun ang iyang eyes. Okay? For fine na. For nila ilang sa kaunjud na adlaw. Let's have a kiss. Cheeks lang. Cheeks.
Kiss na yun, boss.
Okay lang. Cheeks naman. Kiss. Okay. Okay. Okay na si Mr. Buddy. Okay na, sir. Okay. Ready? Wait lang. Para may inspiration, mag-model muna sa atin yung bride and groom. Okay, model. Chicks lang ha. Chicks lang i-model. Sige, kuya lang. Tingnan mo yung pagkamukas. Grabe naman magaling. Okay. Now, it's their turn. Kuya Lang and Lalang, mutual forever.
2, 3, go!
Oh my goodness! Wait lang. Wait lang, naglaro pa dito.
Wala. Ampikas.
Kailangan mga 3 seconds para ma-shot, no?
Yes.
Wait lang. Photographers, right? Okay. So let's do it again. Wait lang. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Okay, now let's go to our acknowledgements.
Ang number daw. Ang number daw.